let's go.
Yeah, see you at the other side. Welcome to Mauritius.
Welcome to our first travel vlog of 2022. So we're here at Gatwick Airport, and as you've seen, it's very quiet, but maybe it's because it's in the evening. But we're heading off for a couple of weeks to Mauritius, so looking forward to some sun, sea, and they've got a bit of rain as well. So yeah, it may not be too different to here, but yeah, keep watching, and hopefully if the internet's good, we'll be uploading videos as we're there. Alright, so now time to swim, and we have the whole infinity pool to ourselves.